Natalia is setting up Julian in what we call standing lumbar traction. Now this traction setup is one of the traction setups that we use, the main traction setup that we use to rebuild Julian's lumbar curve. Now remember, there's supposed to be 3 normal curves from the side view, and the strap that he's holding is the strap that's going to actually help with the correction. It's really going to initiate the correction. So these other straps are stabilization straps to control his body so that we can have the traction focused in one spot. Great. One of the things we love about Natalia's work is how specific she is. And Natalia, just
I can see his chest a little bit.
And you can release. Good, that's good there. So.
You breathe okay?
Yeah. Now, if you notice that this traction is very similar to his maneuver, to Julian's maneuver 4, it's meant to increase that lumbar arch, and by increasing the lumbar arch, that's gonna help us build that arch back, which gives him the shock absorber in his lower back. And this has been a major contributor, along with the adjustment, the therapeutic exercise, the home traction, for him to rebuild that curve, and that is why the low back pain went away. Fantastic. Thank you so much.